That's a detailed, as far as Pragya is also with us right now. Pragya, good morning. A detailed vision that the Prime Minister is setting forth. Of course, whatever the poll projections may be, it is less than 24 hours to go. But that time that he had taken out for himself, that 45-hour-long sadhana, he has a clearer vision of what Viksit Bharat would look like in 2047, Pragya.
You are absolutely right, Amita, and these are the vision that Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be working on after coming to power, whatever the result may be on June 4th. The exit polls everywhere is saying that there's going to be third term for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he also knew that. But, there are various facets in this letter, in this Sankalp Patra. First, he drew heavily from the experiences he had during the campaign. He remembered all the faces, he remembered the experiences, and also he has remembered the religious places he went to during the campaign. Secondly, he drew heavily also from the teachings of Vivekananda and drew an analogy with what is happening in India today, and also saying that Vivekananda always thought about Bharat Mata and also the vision for Bharat also, and he spoke about having a vision for 50 years solely for the nation, and it's exactly 50 years after this call that Bharat gained independence in 1947. And he also says that we have a golden opportunity today. We will look at everything because world always benefited from the countries, from Bharat's ideas and notions and the development that it had. And now today also the world is looking at Bharat to guide them, to lead them. Obviously, a vision for Bharat being the Vishwa Guru, apart from being Viksit Bharat 2047, but he also speaks about 25 years and also speaks about his vision, and he says that let's dedicate the next 25 solely for the nation. Our effort will create a strong foundation for the coming generations and coming centuries. Obviously, he had spoken about thousands of years of taking Bharat, having the development plan and vision for the Bharat for 1,000 years.
Well, that's the Sankalp from his sadhana that he seems to be undertaking and writing about his experience while after he ended his 45-hour-long tapasya at the Vivekanand Rock Memorial. Thank you very much, Pragya, and to you, Ankit, as well. Let's